Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an ignition in a Hyundai Elantra. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a new ignition cylinder, a screwdriver set, and a small pick tool. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, you'll need to access the ignition assembly by carefully removing the steering column covers. Look for the screws holding them in place, usually 2 or 3, and set them aside. With the covers off, insert your key into the old ignition and turn it to the ACK or ON position. This step is crucial for releasing the cylinder. Now, locate the small release pin or button on the ignition cylinder housing. It's often a tiny hole. Use a pick tool or a small screwdriver to depress this pin while gently pulling the ignition cylinder straight out. It should slide out smoothly once the pin is fully depressed. Now, take your new ignition cylinder and ensure it's in the ACK or ON position, matching the position of the old one when it was removed. Carefully align the new cylinder with the opening in the steering column. Push it in firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely seated. Once the new cylinder is in place, reattach the steering column covers, making sure all screws are tightened properly. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight and secure. Before starting the car, insert your key into the new ignition and test all positions: off, ACK, on, and start. Make sure the key turns smoothly and the engine cranks. If everything works correctly, you've successfully replaced your ignition. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always important, especially after a DIY project.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.